How do you say something is extremely something? Most people say he was very tired or she was very angry. But what if this experience or feeling was extremely strong? Today we are going to learn a powerful phrase that describes extreme degrees, when a situation is so intense that it almost becomes something else. The phrase is "to the point of". To the point of means a situation has reached such an extreme level that it's nearly turning into a different state. Think of a thermometer. The temperature doesn't just go up, it goes up to the point of boiling. The structure is to the point of plus noun or ing verb. Let's look at some examples. He was tired to the point of exhaustion. Not just tired, nearly collapsing. The movie was boring to the point of putting me to sleep, so boring that sleep was almost guaranteed. The sauce was spicy to the point of making my eyes water. You can use "to the point of" for negative things like addiction, exhaustion, but also for positive extremes. The view was beautiful to the point of being unreal. He is generous to the point of giving away his own lunch to a stranger. The food was delicious to the point of making me close my eyes with every bite. This is where students get mixed up. Let me make it crystal clear. On the point of means time, about to happen now. To the point of means degree, so extreme that. Look at these two sentences. I was on the point of shouting. I was about to shout 1 second from now. I was frustrated to the point of shouting. I was so frustrated that shouting became a real possibility because of the intensity. See the difference? Same action, shouting, but completely different meanings. To learn more about the expression "on the point of", watch my previous video. When you want to say that you like something extremely, you can use this common structure: I love plus something plus to the point of plus an extreme action. For example, I love coffee to the point of drinking 4 cups before noon. See? It's funny, it's honest, and it sounds so natural. Now you try. Finish this sentence in the comments. I love something to the point of something. For example, I love pizza to the point of eating it for breakfast. I love my cat to the point of talking to her like she's a human. Be creative. I'll read and reply to as many as I can. Quick recap. On the point of means about to happen immediately. To the point of so extreme that it almost becomes something else. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more English tips. And if you missed my video on the point of, click the card right there. Thanks for watching, and don't study to the point of exhaustion. Take breaks. Bye!